Hello. Making sure birds have a fresh water source is important. Maybe more important in the winter than in the warmer months. Every week or so, I use a wire brush on my cement bird bath that I inherited from my father. I set a large rock inside so that some of the birds have something to stand on while they drink. Since it's been so cold, this time the rock is stuck to some of the ice lining the bottom. But no worries though. Since I don't have a pond, I place several bird baths around the garden, some directly on the ground. That helps. This baffle is repurposed from the guts of a hanging basket and somewhat deter the grackles, but it's deterring me too. I'm filling the feeder with black oil sunflower seeds. I sprinkle some seed on the ground for the cardinals and the other ground feeding birds. It also helps to deter squirrels. They'll eat the ground seeds and seldom climb up for the feeder seeds, but you may have a different experience. I also provide suet cakes because birds need that fat. I even occasionally see a woodpecker hanging upside down on the suet cages, and what a treat that is. So even if you don't have a yard or a garden, maybe you have a patio or a balcony, you can still feed the birds. There are lots of different types of bird feeders, and I guarantee it, if you try it, you'll appreciate the visitors you'll see. Bye.